What I've got the system here is a swivel system, 22mm screw fitting. If you look in the bottom, you'll see the bearing. The washer goes on the top of it. It then gives us the ability to be able to swivel any system, whether it's under pressure or not under pressure. 1/4 inch BSP, so we can put that onto a hose, and it means then that from there onwards that the fitting itself is swivelable. Now if you look at the end of it, you'll also find an Allen key, so if you're attaching this to anything, what we do is put an Allen key in there and tighten it up onto the hose itself there at that point. So we'll be looking at putting these onto the Qwashers, to the old type gun on the Kranzles. The reason being is it hasn't got a facility to their guns to be able to swivel. It will give us that facility to be able to swivel, whether it's on a hose reel hose or just a standard hose. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Very short, small, so it takes up very little room. It ain't some clumsy, outrageous fitting. Like I say, 22mm screw fitting threads. Connect it up and it will then swivel. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers.